Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and this is going to be a little bit of a different video. This is just going to be a thank you video. Today is March 19th, and this is the 1 year anniversary of the first video I uploaded for Python Basics. And I just want to tell you thank you, because as of I think right now, a little over 2,100 views, and that just blows me away because my videos are way down on the list, and you guys are taking time to search them out, watch them, give me feedback, subscribe to them. So it's very, very humbling. It took me a long time to learn Python, and I'm just trying to give back. I love Python programming language. I hope that comes across. It was the first one that made sense to me, and I hope you're able to learn from these videos, and I hope they're helpful, and I hope the way that I'm going about it is helping you, because I learn differently. I have learning issues, and it's taken me a long time, and these videos I hope are helpful to individuals who have struggled and want to learn Python. So I just wanted to make a real quick video and just say thank you very much for watching and subscribing and liking and commenting. So we'll pick up on the next video right where we left off, and thanks again for watching, and stay tuned. Bye guys.